I need it. Just connect it.
The old school way. You can get
a USB ASP or something?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you spinning your prop.
You are so
Oh, you coming in, Chris? All right, come on in.
Slow. Because what you have right now is a hot phone. Oh, yeah, that's true.
Oh, the king! That is a cool little plan.
Hey, you got the Hobby King lineup right now?
Hell yeah. Now, which one are you going to break down
here?
here?
These are all your planes. Oh, Frank! You should sponsor out.
Jesus, I gotta get out of Frank's way again? I'm way the hell away. Look at this. Jesus.
We got to take off, right?
Frank's going after me with that big old fat plane. What the hell?
It's so small though, look at it. It's actually tiny.
The Big Panther and the...
Let me get the hell out of here.
Oh! Frank, that was nice.
Bye-bye. You can't find me now.
How does it fly with the
No, there's other people. God, come on. Quit being a wuss. Fly the right way.
No, I know.
It's Jonah. Stick to a pattern, dude. She shouldn't matter. You're a pro pilot.
Stick to the pattern for
You're a pro pilot.
Just watch the,
Oh, the orientation's weird, though.
That's what I'm talking about.
Fat Albert.
Fat. Bert.
What'd you say?
Time remaining. 3 minutes.
The light's 40 bucks.
It's not dropping a lot. It's like 15.7.
No, that battery is like 35 bucks. Like it's really not that expensive. That's a cheap battery.
Alright, that's it.
25 bucks for a 4S3000, that's a lot of money.
35 bucks?
Yeah. Low
I
pass.
remember thinking it wasn't that much. Maybe I'm just wrong.
Shall we food full, Frank?
Maybe I'm used to buying Thunder Power.
I want to see how fast it's going to go.
Oh. I want to see how much I paid for this battery.
So much for that. Looks like my day has been cut short, guys. Yeah,
What happened?
that was probably the phone call.
Don't leave us, Ray.
No, I got no choice. Fuck.
Here's
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
That's nice.
That's full?
That's not bad.
See, I don't like the wings flopping like that,
It
though.
was, I paid $36 for that battery. I bought 4 of them because I wanted 2 steps for my second gun.
It's a bigger pack. When you add capacity,
I take care of my battery.
when you add capacity,
I balance
it holds
them on
voltage.
1C whenever I charge them.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
No, not you.
What'd you say?
My phone's blowing up.
Do you abuse
Low pass!
Do you abuse your batteries, Ray?
Always.
Are you a battery abuser?
Yes.
Well, that's why your batteries don't hold the voltage.
No, my batteries always hold. But higher capacity batteries hold better, even if they're low C.
Charge them at 1C whenever I can. Maybe 2C. I'm feeling brave.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
The wings are oscillating before it. Yeah.
Looks
I
smooth.
don't like. I need it to be on
Low
the
pass!
If it's on the bottom, it works better.
That's what she said.
Maybe I'll create a shelf that sits on top of it.
You didn't hear what I said. So if it's on the bottom, it works better. I said, that's what she said.
Too funny, Ray. You're too funny.
Wacko.
Use the rudder, Frank. Use the rudder.
Oh.
30 seconds.
Alright, I gotta go.
Are they pushing?
Elevate. Maybe mine. You know what? No.
Get some high techs.
Low pass.
I'm gonna change. This export thing is not working.
Get some high techs in that bitch.
With some high techs in the bit.
9, 8, 7.
Okay, landing from the right.
I'm landing.
Fat Albie's coming in.
Fat Bert.
5,
Fat
4,
Albert.
3, landing start. 2, 1. Time expired.
Landing.
Don't go back. I'm gonna break the props and go back on.
Awesome,
Flaps up.
Thank you.
God, everyone's just taxing all over the place today.
I didn't taxi into you, that's all that matters.
I had to. Very pink plane.
It is very pink, but it flies very good, so who
very
cares
pink.
about the color? It's wonderful.
I didn't say anything about the color. I'm just saying it's very pink.
Wonderful, damn it.
I'm just saying it's very pink.